I love the colour and I like the shape of this hat so much, I got it in black as well. Alright, I'm doing one of these what I wore videos. I feel like I'm not done one in a bit, so I thought let me just kick off with getting one out the way. Why not, hey? Why not? Alright, so what's this? Classes in session. You guys should tell me by now what I'm wearing. Okay. Men's shirt. Nice and large and pink. I love it. It's so big. That's what she said. So I love this, and then I'm wearing an old Free People bag. I've had this bag, honestly, for about, what, 5 years now? Look at it. Look at that. It's amazing. Sparkle. It's absolutely amazing. It looks like a disco ball in here, by the way, because the mirror is bouncing off of the wall. It's stunning. So I got that on, and then also I'm wearing an old skirt. I think this is from Everlane, this mini skirt, I think. Is it Everlane or H&M? I can't remember. Anyway, I know I've had it for a bit. It's getting warmer now, so I can sort of dress like this. Legs are out. Trying to get my legs out a little bit more often. Plus it's just too warm to go otherwise. Wearing the Valentino flats. I had a couple of questions about these, like comfortable and also the sizing. I got them in a 41. I'm usually 42. Tell a lie. I'm usually at 41 in all my shoes. I'm a UK 8, US 11, so 41 is my size. But for some reason, my heel was hanging off with these big time. So I got the 42 and these fit fine and they are comfortable. I still haven't got the toe inserts, but I need to do that because the back is open, my back of my foot wants to slip out. But I know it's just I just need something for my toes to just grab onto. So I need to get that and then I'll be fine. Yeah, but that's really the whole look. Just very kind of casual, just oversized bag, oversized shirt, cuffs undone, little, you know, denim skirt, and then the shoes, the Valentino flats. Oh God, I'm probably going to put glasses on. Hold on. And then for glasses, it's just the usual, the Under the Stories, the cat eyes, which I love so much. I really like these glasses a lot. Thought it would be good to pick up on the black with the skirt. All right, that is it. Now I'm gone. Alright, so another day heading out. It's been so hot, I've just been leaving the fan on. This is a dress from the Frankie shop. I love this dress so much. It's really padded shoulders, pockets, need I say more. I like the length of it. It's Goldilocks, it's just right. And I might even get it in another colour. I love it that much and I wear it so much in the black, so I feel like I should just get it in a different colour. I feel like I've worn this outfit before, but it doesn't matter, I don't even care. Crap, who cares? These are my UGG trainers. I love these. They are platformed. Hold on, I don't know if that comes across, but yeah, that sole is really mega big and I really like it. It's so comfortable, so I thought I'd wear it.
These are my Banana Republic shorts. My Converse socks.
And your Converse socks, yeah.
And my little butt.
And your little butt, exactly, and his little butt. Right, okay, moving on. The glasses are Celine. I got these after caving. I was wearing the white version so much, which I'll show you on the screen, and I love those two pieces. And I think I've got those like 2 years ago now and going so strong, and I wanted a really severe cat eye, not just the Under the Stories one, something a bit more like that. So this is them in black and I really like it. The mirror, everything. It's exactly what I wanted. This is Hermes scarf. I'm either wearing vintage scarves, like especially from Love Day, or I'll put their Instagram on the screen, or I'll just wear this one from Hermes because I like it so much, this colour. And then the bag is the Gucci 1955 horse bit. I really like this. I've asked, a couple of you asked, like, what do I think of it? You know, do I really like it? Not, blah, blah, blah. I do still like it a lot. That's why I still wear it. It's just got a vintage vibe to me it just feels so me. And the colour, it feels very, very neutral on me, to me, this colour. So it's great. And I like the fact that I can wear like a short strap like I'm doing now, or I can extend the strap so that it goes crossbody and it literally drops to about here on me. Or you can wear it on your shoulder really long and it falls to literally about here. But I've just got the strap on its shortest so it can just like tuck nicely on the shoulder. So that's really it. That's my whole look, and I will see you for the next look. Okay, another day, another hot day. I think New York is literally going through a heat wave now. I'm going to head out in a moment, and I thought I would wear, I've actually shown this already on my Instagram, on my stories. I'll leave my Instagram name here if you're not following me on there. Same name as my YouTube. I usually post a lot of my outfits over there in my stories because it's just so easy and quick. But I know I posted, I think, wearing this, and a couple of you asked where it's from. It's from Rhode, R-H-O-D-E. I actually have a couple of their dresses. I have the pink one, which I'll show on the screen here or here, and I love that one. I wore it to death for the past couple of years, and they very kindly offered to send me some more of their dresses of this same one. Well, because I love it so much, so I picked this one, which has like these eyelets. See, it's got like these holes all over it. It's on the sleeve as well. It's also on the bottom of the skirt. It's just so nice. It's really, really pretty, and oh, it's so nice. Anyway, so got that in the black, and I thought I'd wear crossbody the Chanel vintage bag. This is the red with the gold hardware. Good classic to have, pre-loved. And then the shoes are by Arizona Love. These are the ones that have like the kind of like pearl in flower shape. I think that's the best way to describe it. Yeah, so I'm gonna just go out and I'll probably wear like my, I don't know, I'll just probably just wear my End of the Stories, you know, those. Anyway, yeah, so I'm heading out. So I've been trying to only go out on days when it's really nice and sunny, and I wait till the sun's sort of going down a bit, and then I leave, then I pounce. So the light is so nice. Hi guys. I'm just putting the flats on again. Right, let me take you into the mirror to see the rest of what I've got on. Ugh. So going out, and I have on the Frankie Shop padded tee or vest that, you know, I just live in this bloody thing. I love it so much. Feel like I really got the cost per wear on it. And then I'm wearing these, fairly new actually, probably like about 3 months old, rag and bone cargo pants. They are a little bit on the big side, but I don't mind. I don't mind that slouch, and I love harem pants anyway, but I probably would have got my normal size. So if they're still available, which I think they are when this video is going up, I will link them. I'll link everything. But size-wise, I would say get your normal size. But if you want this kind of like drop waist look, then go up. And then, as you know, as I said before, I've got the Valentino flats on, and then, hold on, hat. Hold on, wait, let me show you. Okay, so I got this fedora hat that I picked up from, it's called City Hats. It's a hat shop on Houston Street, just east of Broadway in Manhattan, literally a block away. So anyone who's New Yorker, you can go and check it out. So, and I had them put a couple of feathers in it just to kind of customize it. I thought it looked really cool with that. I love the color, and I like the shape of this hat so much, I got it in black as well. So that will be for when it's cooler in the year, but I love the neutral color of this. It's just so good. Love that flat brim. It's brilliant. Anyway, on Instagram stories, some of you already saw, because I took you with me when I was choosing which hat to get. I showed you when I was trying this one on. I'll try and insert some footage as well. When I was trying a blue one on that looked really good, and I almost took that one. And then I did a poll with you guys asking, should I get the blue one? Should I get the black one? And anyway, that was a different style, but yeah, so you'll see the footage here. So I do that randomly on my Instagram. I just, like, when I'm in the shop, I'll just show you what I'm thinking about buying, and I'll ask for your opinion really quickly. So there's that, and I really like how neutral this is. Like I said, I feel like it just goes with everything. And then the bag is the Stowed, my mini moon bag. So cool. I love this. It's just, oh, it's just so cool. It's not white either, as you can see, because look at my t-shirt and look at the bag. So it's more like a cream colour, isn't it? It's great. And obviously I got the Valentino flats on, and that's it. That's kind of everything. So I think by the time this goes up, you may have already seen this on my Instagram, I think. God, I'm not even sure. Anyway, if it is already my Instagram, I'll insert a picture of it. All right, that is everything. I will see you guys later. Bye. Hi, another day going out, and today I thought I would do just basically green and black. So I've got on the Nike Jordans. These are the ones I picked up on Farfetch. Daria, I noticed you've been wearing yours. I love them. And then just a cap that I thrifted from Buffalo Exchange. Same with this amazing men's oversized blazer. It's so good. Look at this lapel. You know how I feel about these kind of lapels. This Peaks lapel, it's so, oh, this is so good. So yeah, so I got that on. And then underneath, crop top is Sweaty Betty. I showed you this before in about a video, what, about 3 weeks ago, something like that, 2 weeks ago. Yeah, so I got that on, just wearing it as a top out. And then the denim skirt on. I've had this for a couple of years, if not a year to a couple of years. So I like that. I've got to find myself a denim pair of shorts though. That's what I'm really looking for, so I just don't have to keep wearing like a shorter skirt. Like sometimes if I want my legs out, I want something that's really casual. So anyway, yeah, definitely going to keep my eyes out for that. To DIY hack and make a pair of shorts. Anyway, I digress. And the green Jodie bag, the colour of it, yeah, that's a bit better. That's more like the colour of it. Even that is not right, the colour of it. It's coming out so like, it's hard. It's not capturing the true colour. Like I'm looking at the viewfinder the way you're seeing it, and when I look at it with my own eyes out here, like I'm looking at it right now, it's not the same colour. It's much nicer in person. And I mean it, it's much nicer in person, the colour. But it's still nice here. Anyway, so that's the whole look that I've got on. Yeah, so that's everything. I'm going to head out now. I'm going into the city. I'm going to drive into the city. And yeah, and the glasses is the same, you know, the end of the story is glasses. All right, that is it. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye. Hi, all right, so today I'm wearing a thrifted men's suit, which a lot of you already know about. I've worn it before on a couple of my videos at least by now. And I thought I would just wear it with the Jordans, the Nikes, in the green. I just like the green with the neutral, it's just like a nice little pop. And then I'm wearing like the bag, just crossbody, little bit of Chanel square mini. I've had this for quite a while now. And then this underneath is by Jennifer Zerner, and it says love. It's very old, so I don't think they make it in this particular way anymore. And this top one is by Misoma, and this is gorgeous. It actually came, this clips on. It just comes with a chain alone. Right, so I just got the chain alone first, and then I added the clip-on pocket lock, or locket, whatever you want to call it. And I believe actually it opens as well. I haven't put anything in it, but it does open. But yeah, it's a nice way to just make a chain look new, just by adding a you know, like a pendant to it. And then the glasses. These ones are the Wayfarers. When I want to really just kind of like cover my face a lot, yeah, I just wear these. That is the look. So kind of smart but casual. More casual than smart. Oh, and the top underneath, this is an old crop tank that I've had, and it's from Urban Outfitters, and I love it. It's ribbed, and I also have it in yellow because I loved it so much. It came in about 5 colours. I actually wished I bought every colour at the time, but I'm glad I got the ribbed in the black and the yellow. The yellow is nice for a pop colour. But that's all. And I got the, you know, the style hack, keeping the sleeves up. If you don't know what I mean, watch the style hack video. I'll link it here or here. Just telling you just how to style things and just help you with your styling. I'm sure a lot of you know this hack already, but anyway, it's a good one. Oh, and the belt. The belt is by Topshop. I've had this belt now, I would say, for a good 3 years-ish or going, something like that. It's great. It doesn't tarnish and it does exactly what I want, which is just be a nice classic, simple, easy belt. All right, that is it. I'm out. If I say that is it one more time. Hello everyone. All right, so another day heading out. It is really warm today and I'm wearing a Farm Rio dress from I think this is from last year. This is the current season color, but it's the same dress basically. So I just felt like wearing last season's one. Very classic, full sleeves, really kind of cool color, the way it kind of like has an ombre kind of effect. Anyway, yeah, so that dress. On Instagram, you've seen me wear this quite a few times, I think, as well. And then the bag-wise, I wore this old, well, I am wearing this old shell bag. I've had it for about 4 years-ish. I love this thing to pieces. It's just got shells all over it, and I just love how soft it is. You know, it's just so nice. I had one before that was all shells, but it was stiff. It was like knock. You couldn't. It was very structured. But this is nice and soft, like a sack, and it's brilliant. It's so nice. That's really the whole lot. And then what else? Same. Just been wearing the same sort of stuff really. Same watch, bracelet, and the love necklace. I think that's the one from Jennifer Zinner, I can't remember pronounce the name. If I can see any of these things available, obviously I will link them for you, and especially this particular dress because it's so nice. Size wise, I went up a size, but it does run true. But if you want to go up and if all you see is a size up, you can still get it because it will look like this. It'll have like a really loose effect, but it'll be loose around the waist. So if that's what you prefer, you can get away with it because the material is so soft and drapey. The colours they do these in is amazing. And I'm wearing the Chanel sandals, the ones that's like that kind of raffia material, raffia looking material with the pearl detailing on the side. This is so nice. So I've got those. But yeah, that's really it. Oh, I'm going to lunch. To meet a friend, so I thought I would wear something nice and kind of, you know, just, I don't know, girly. Anyway, that is it. I think that's everything. I'm going to sign off here. Do not forget, subscribe to my channel if you want to see more kind of outfit ideas and all kinds of stuff, good stuff like that. What else did I want to say to you? I think I mentioned it already. No, I didn't mention it in this video, but last week, I believe, I mentioned to you that I'm coming out with my own collection, my own clothing line. I know, I'm still trying to wrap my head around saying that. And it's in collaboration with Amazon. It's going to be a pre-fall collection, made to order only, and it's going to be live for 30 hours only, and that's it, and it's going to be available worldwide. I'll leave a link for you below if you want to sign up to get a text or an email to notify you the moment the second the collection is available to buy, because I won't know that exact, I'll probably know the date, but I won't know the exact hour, like the time. Well, you'll hear more on my Instagram because I show you a little bit sneak peeks of the collection and stuff like that as time progresses. All right, that is it. That is my lot. I don't think there's anything else. Give this video a thumbs up if you've got some ideas on what to wear this week or even today. Take care, my loves. Bye.